This is our QLQ-F4P wheel polishing machine, which can polishing the zipper very shining. So we can see the original zipper is like that. Okay. Now later we will see the result. Our zipper is go inside, and then let's see from this side. Now the zipper we are polishing is a stainless steel zipper. For stainless steel zipper, if you don't do the plating, you can choose this machine, because this machine can polish the surface to be very shining. And for the stainless steel, the output is 600 meters per hour. For the brass, it's about 800. So you can see how shining it is. Very shining for stainless steel. And this one is the original one, which after 8 pieces the polishing wheel already. And then we move this zipper to here, and you see it's very shining and very smooth. You can see it's very smooth. So it's coming up. You can see. Okay, finish. And now let's see the inside construction. Okay. So we can see inside have 4 pieces, the fiber wheel, which may polishing the zipper surface to be very shining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces. Okay, if you are interested for this machine, you can send your zipper sample to us for testing, or you can send email to us to get more detailed information. Thank you for your interest. Thank you.